Next, I'd like to bring out Mr. Mark Zhang, the Chief Operating Officer from APrevent Medical. He's going to talk about methods and apparatus for treating glottic insufficiency. Let's welcome Mark.
Hi, thank you, Morris, for introduction. Can everybody see my screen now?
Yes, we are. Thank you.
Okay, so okay. Hi, everybody. So I'm Mark from APrevent. Most of us take our ability to communicate with our own speech for granted. And actually, in recent decades, it is also a large part of how we interact with technology. But for millions around the world, this sense of ability has been lost. So APrevent is dedicated to providing innovative solutions for voice and speech disorders. Now we have two major products, the voice and the AI speak. And our voice is a long-term implant which helps patients with glottic insufficiency to regain their voice and swallow in a normal manner. And our AI speak uses the AI machine learning technology to help patients with motor speech disorders to regain their normal communication capability. So let me start with our voice implant. Our voice is the world's first and only patient-specific laryngeal long-term implant to treat the glottic insufficiency. The patients with glottic insufficiency, there's a gap between two vocal folds, and it causes them not able to speak or swallow in a normal manner. And the glottic insufficiency could occur for a variety of reasons, including like neurological dysfunction like stroke, trauma, cancer, head and neck infection, or some iatrogenic problems. So it will cause aspiration pneumonia, or the mortality. So actually overcoming the glottic insufficiency is not only about the quality of life, it's also about the saving lives. So each year, the medical establishment has put billions of dollars towards solving the issues related to the glottic insufficiency, including the unilateral vocal fold paralysis, the age-related pre-speech laryngitis, or stroke-related aspiration pneumonia. And current other solutions include the miniaturizing thyroplasty using the carved silicone block or titanium plate. However, these solutions can only medialize about an anterior 2/3 of the vocal folds. So based on literature, they still have a very high revision rate of about 30%. And our voice implant, they have a special design with patient-specific intra and post-operative adjustability. And comparing with other solutions, it reduces surgical time and achieves the complete closure for the long-term optimal result. So here's a quick video to show how our voice works. This is the normal larynx. We open and close. And this is the UVFP. You can see there's a gap between two vocal folds. And our implant have 4 different sizes to satisfy all the genders and the races. And it is made by biocompatible silicone and titanium. And we also have a special design instrument set to standardize all the surgical procedures. For our surgery, we open the window at the thyroid cartilage and introduce our implant and very securely fixated it on the thyroid cartilage. And from the inside, because it is an adjustable balloon, so actually we can fine-tune the size of this implant to satisfy every patient to have either complete closure of their vocal folds. So let me use another video to show you how it helps a patient to restore her voice. Before the surgery, her voice was short and hoarse. After the surgery, you can obviously tell the difference. Actually, it's from the same patients. So our voice implant has received a license in Europe and reimbursement in Germany, UK, Austria, and Finland. And this year we are expanding our market to more countries in Europe, and we are going to enter the Asian countries and Australia, which rely on the pre-approval of the CE mark. And we also consulted with PMDA that we do not need additional clinical study to enter the Japanese market. So for our voice implant, we have already conducted over 100 implantations in Europe, Taiwan, and Malaysia. And currently we are conducting a clinical study in the USA in 4 leading hospitals in the US. And we expect to have an FDA 510K approval in 2025. And we are also evaluating the partners for the global market. So next, to help patients not only being heard and also being understood. So now we study our second innovation. We call it AI Speak. More than 40 million people around the world suffer from the moderate to severe speech disorders, including like stroke, Parkinson's disease, cerebral palsy, or ALS. But unfortunately, the current communication aids are very difficult for these patients to operate, especially most of them are physically disabled. So for our AI Speak, we have developed thousands of minutes of digital speech in Mandarin Chinese and English. And this data is fed into our AI machine learning model, including 2 important in-house and patent techniques, the personal training structure and standardized data augmentation. And now we are able to interpret the digital speech with very promising accuracy, from 10% by Google to over 80% by our AI Speak. And our AI Speak won the 2022 Qualcomm Innovate in Taiwan Challenge. So let me use another video to show you how our collaboration with Qualcomm to help a patient, actually he is from a cerebral palsy, to communicate with others.
什么时候可以吃东西？你饿了吗？要叫外送吗？我准备走走。我想出去走走。
So we can recognize his speech in real time. So he can use his own speeches to communicate with others. So our next step is to develop a more patient-friendly standalone device, which includes a lot of IoT services. And we believe the applications with our AI Speak technology is abundant, and we welcome any opportunities for licensing and co-development. Here's a brief about our team. The 2 co-founders have medical and engineering backgrounds from Europe and from the United States. And our team also includes experienced engineers, regulation, clinical study, and business development. So feel free to contact me if you have any, you want to know more about our technology, and we welcome any opportunity for collaboration. Thank you.
So everyone, if you are interested to any technologies Mark just demonstrates, please also use this QR code to scan to provide your ideas.